Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're heading into Walgreens today using only our phone and digital coupons. I also finally got a digital booster for spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, which I'm super excited about. So I have a couple different scenarios for you guys and a bunch of deals that you can mix and match to put together whatever works best for you. But we're going to be stocking up on quite a few different things. There's some good deals on diapers if you have that booster. There's also the P&G rebate for spend 50 get 15 or spend 20 get 5. If you haven't done it yet, it's still available and a lot of the products are included. Pampers are included as well, so you'll be able to get a Visa gift card on that deal. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you so that way you have the confidence to go into Walgreens, stock up on some really great deals. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a part of the channel. I am so close to hitting 100,000 on YouTube, which literally blows my mind. That's been one of my biggest goals ever since I started my YouTube journey 6 years ago. Also below in the description box is the link to register for my completely free coupon class. It's going to be live this Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're struggling with not saving 75% or more every single month on everything that you buy, paper products, laundry products, baby products, oral care, of course, shaving, household products, cleaners, you name it. If you're not saving 75%, definitely come to my free class. I'm going to be breaking down how to master your monthly savings and how I've saved over $600 this month using only my phone, which sounds crazy, but it's 100% doable. I do it every single month. My students are doing it every single month as well. So I want to teach you how to do it as well. I'm going to be teaching that in that class. So that'll be below for you, or it'll be pinned in the comments, or you can go to my website, BreeCouponQueen.com/masterclass, and you guys can register there. So let's pop inside and start taking advantage of some great deals this week. So we're going to start off with the best part of this transaction, which is an amazing all digital freebie. So this transaction, we're using the digital booster that I got this week on one of my accounts for spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, which is actually a really good digital booster. So I'm going to grab one of these STEM flying insect traps. It has to be this kit for $19.99. We have a $10 digital coupon, and you can submit to Ibotta for $10 cash back. That rebate has a 1 day left on it though, so you're gonna wanna run on this deal. Makes it completely free. Next, we're gonna grab one of these Febreze small spaces for your bathroom. They're on sale for $3.29. We do have a $2 digital coupon. That's gonna make it $1.29. It's gonna wind up being a lot cheaper than that though, with all of the rewards that we're gonna be earning back. Next, for hair care, we're doing the Garnier deal. So you can either do the Garnier Whole Blends, or if you want to do the Garnier Fructis, you can. They're part of the same promotion, so if you want to do them both, it has to be in separate transactions. Each of them have their own $3 off 2 digital coupon. So for these, you'll pay $5, earn back that $3 register reward in store. Makes your final cost $2 for 2 or $1 a piece. You can do this online as well. You'll earn back Walgreens cash instead. Then we're gonna do the Degree deal, which is buy one, get one half off. So there's no register rewards or anything that you're earning, but when you grab 2 of these, that will bring you to $8.23. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Typically we only have a 4 off 2, so that's a really high digital coupon. You're gonna pay $2.23 out of pocket, but it gets even better. We're gonna submit to Ibotta for 50 cents cash back per deodorant that we're grabbing. Makes your final cost $1.23 for 2 of them. That's amazing. Then you know we got to grab some oral care. So I'm going to show you the Colgate and the Crest and Oral-B deal. So I'm going to do these here that are $5 each. You can either grab the one that are $4 or the ones that are $5. They're part of the same promotion for buy 2, get a $4 register reward. The reason why I'm grabbing the total and the $5 version is because I'm still tracking towards this bonus on Fetch Rewards. Today's the last day. Either today or tomorrow, the 27th is the last day for Fetchtopia, where you're going to be getting double the points back. So I'm really trying to finish this, and I only need $8 and a penny left, but it does calculate after all coupons, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to grab 2 of these. There's a $3 off one and a $2 off one digital coupon that's going to come off. I'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward. Makes my final cost just 50 cents a piece. Let's go over the first option for the transaction using the digital spend booster for spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So these are all the products that you would grab. hand them all to the cashier, have them ring them in, type in your phone number. Total is $48.51. So I'm gonna roll $5 in Walgreens cash. That'll bring me to $43.51. We're still over 40, so we're good to go. We'll get back that Walgreens cash from the booster. After all the coupons come off, which is $26 worth, you'll pay $17.51 out of pocket, then get back a $3 register reward and a $5 register reward. Plus from Ibotta, we're getting $10, $50, and $50. So we're getting $11 cash back from Ibotta. That's gonna make our net cost $3.51. This is also gonna fit in my budget. I did check my new digital spreadsheet to see how much I had left in my budget to see what deals I could do. And I have $9.20 left, so this is gonna be perfect. We also have a cheap deal on the paper products. So Scott products are buy one, get one half off this week, and they're always $5. So the second one will be $2.50. We do have a $1 off one digital coupon for the Scott toilet paper. That's gonna make your final cost $3.25 per pack. I personally think that's a really great deal, so I would definitely grab it if you need it. Another great deal this week, these are the storage bags I use all the time. They're buy one, get two free, which is the best deal around. They're way better than like going to the dollar store. You're gonna get more and it's cheaper. Winds up being 93 cents each. Most products at the dollar store are like $1.25 now, but that's another story. And you can mix and match. I honestly think they're almost as good as Ziploc, but literally a fraction of the price. And you can always pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards on these, so definitely stock up. I'm gonna grab a couple that I need. If you need some kids toothpaste, here's an option you can do that doesn't require any coupons. So they're buy two or more, get back a $4 register reward. This one here is the cheapest for Spider-Man at $2.99 each. You would pay the $5.98, but then you're gonna get back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost 99 cents a piece. Another deal you can do is buy two, get a $3 register reward on Crest and Oral-B. So grab one of these that are $3.50. You're gonna clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Next, you would grab one of these Oral-B for $3.50 with a separate $1 off one digital coupon. So total for both of them is gonna be $7. After the coupons come off, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, earn back a $3 register reward, makes your final cost $2 for both or just $1 a piece. For me personally, anything $1 or less on oral care is a great stock up price. If you need diapers, there's a good deal on diapers, but only if you have that digital spend booster. If you do not have a booster, I would pass on it at Walgreens and go to CVS instead because there's a way cheaper deal on diapers. So for Pampers at Walgreens, they're 2 for $21 in store. Online, they're actually more expensive, which never happens. And they're spend $35, get a $5 register reward. So you're gonna have to grab 4 packs. That'll bring you to $42. There's a 3 off 2 digital coupon that you can clip. You're gonna wind up paying $39 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back the $5 register reward and $10 in Walgreens cash. Makes your final cost $24 for 4 bags or $6 per bag, so not a bad deal. If you haven't done your PG rebate as well, definitely go to the PG website and check it out. That way you can get some Visa back as well. If this is the only thing that you're doing and you're submitting to the Move to Save rebate, you're gonna wind up getting a $5 Visa gift card back. Makes your final cost $19 for 4 bags, so even better. Or what you can do is add in other P&G products that are included in this rebate. You have to read it for the exact brand. Not every single PG product is included, but that way you can wind up doing the spend 50 and then you'll get a $15 Visa gift card. So that link is gonna be below for you guys in the description box so you can get that rebate. Okay, we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went great at checkout. This is the transaction that I wound up doing. It was everything that I showed you in the video. I didn't wind up changing anything. So down here, all my digital coupons came off. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash. I paid $21, whatever that says, 29 or something, $21.28 out of pocket. So as it stands, I'm over budget. But then I submitted to Ibotta and I got $11 cash back. So I'm still a smidgen over budget. My final cash cost is $10.28. And in my budget, I had left $9.20. So I'm $1.08 over my budget for the month, but that's okay. Then I also, surprise, submitted to Fetch Rewards. I wound up getting the $2 back finally for that spend 15 on Colgate Optic White or Colgate Total toothpaste products. So that wound up being amazing. Fetchtopia does end on the 27th. So highly recommend right now, stop this video. Do not forget, like, go through your purse, go through whatever, go through your car, scan any and every receipt that you have so you can stock up on as many points as possible. And then you can exchange those points for gift cards to hundreds of stores like Amazon. You can do Walmart, you can do CVS, which is what I use a lot of. I also share that in my savings tracker as well. So when I get home, I'm gonna go through my savings tracker. We're gonna enter everything in that finalizes my budget for this month because I wanna make sure I'm not going over budget. So let's go home and figure that out. I'm gonna show you exactly what I enter into my budget, what it calculates for me, and then how much I wind up saving this month. So you can see it is 100% possible. And I promise you, it does not take hours and hours and hours. That's one of the other things I'm teaching you in the live coupon class is how to do a 10-minute deal plan. When I first started couponing, I was spending hours and hours and hours like chasing deals and trying to force deals to work and all of this, and it was crazy. So I want you to be able to coupon quickly, efficiently, and be able to save 75% every single month, which is possible. So if you want to come to that, I absolutely love to have you. That'll be below for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Not that many like amazing deals at Walgreens. There's definitely some good ones. I showed you guys some good ones today, but if I had to pick going to Walgreens versus going to CVS, I would definitely choose CVS this week. CVS, I wound up grabbing $105 worth of products and I made $1 cash money for grabbing them. That's insane. Versus this haul is $48 worth of products and it cost me $10.28. So CVS, you're just able to exponentially get so much more just because of how they kind of handle their coupon policy. And on top of that, you can use Fetch Rewards gift cards to cover your out-of-pocket costs, which is really nice. Okay, let's go home, enter in my savings tracker. Okay, so in my coupon budget spreadsheet, this is my brand new savings tracker. I'm so in love with it. What I'm gonna do is put the date over here. So it's the 27th. Oh. Then in the drop down, I'm gonna choose Walgreens. The retail value of everything was $48.51. Out of pocket was $21.28. Rewards paid with, I paid with $5 in Walgreens cash, so that would count there. Free gift cards, I didn't use any, and purchased gift cards, I didn't use any. Total cash back was $11 from Ibotta, and then earned rewards was a 5, a 4, and 10, so $17 worth of rewards back. So I saved 78.8% today. My net cost is $9.28, and my cash cost is $10.28. So over here, it does show that I am over budget by $1.08. So I'm gonna look for a moneymaker deal so I can make sure that I'm balanced back out for the last couple days of this month. Definitely make sure that you guys are tracking your spending. This is such a key part of saving money.